Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something to share with you. It is all about the 5 most fastest bird in the world. Have you ever heard about the 5 most fastest bird in the world? Well, let's talk about that. But before we start, if you have interest in this kind of topic, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification to keep you updated on my uploaded videos. Let's get started. Number 5, Fregatidae bird. It belongs to Fregatidae bird family and found across all tropical and subtropical oceans. Maximum speed, 153 km per hour. Number 4, Eurasian hobby. It is a slate gray above with a dark crown and 2 short black moustachial stripes that belongs to the Falconidae bird family. It is a long-distance migrant, wintering in Africa and Asia. Maximum speed, 160 km per hour. Number 3, White-throated needletail. It is also known as needle-tailed swift or spine-tailed swift. It is a migratory bird, breeding in Central Asia and southern Siberia, and wintering south in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. It belongs to the Apodidae bird family. Maximum speed, 169 km per hour. Number 2, Golden eagle. It is a dark brown bird with lighter golden brown plumage napes. It is one of the best known birds of prey in the northern hemisphere. It belongs to the Accipitridae bird family. Maximum speed, 240 to 320 km per hour. Number 1, Peregrine falcon. It is a large, crow-sized falcon. It has blue-gray back, barred white underparts, and a black head. Belongs to the Falconidae bird family. It is found nearly everywhere on the Earth except polar region. Maximum speed, 389 km per hour. I hope you enjoy this video as much I've enjoyed making and sharing it. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like this in the future.